Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hi. So you want to know more about how to troubleshoot out of sync MKV sound? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to troubleshoot out of sync MKV sound is ask.brothersoft.com. See the page titled How to Troubleshoot Out of Sync MKV Sound, AC3 Filter Q&A. Here's the link. You can also try www.linuxforums.org, especially the page How to Synchronize Audio in a Matroska, MKV, media file. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see forum.videohelp.com. The web page fixing sound sync issues in a MKV file, video help. Here's the link.